Waking up with a sweet smile, it's just my lifestyle. I've been working all the night, I'm trying to find some light. Every day is hard for me, let me take a sip of tea. Wanna set my mind free, this day is made for me. Cause this is how my story goes. I'm just walking through the door, I've been crying for no more. How about a little walk? How about a little talk? It's the way I spend my time, it's the way I free my mind. Let me know when you feel alone, let me know when you on your own. I love to there for you, it's my way to get this through. Every time when I try to make my day, like a lot of us that day where I'm happy on the way. Everyone say that I'm a type of gay way they want to be get rid of and need what I did. Every day I just try to work so hard where I don't get a reward. They say you don't work so hard, and today I wanna stand against the wall and show them who I am. This is how my story goes. I'm just walking through the door, I've been crying for no more. Love the way my parents put a trust on me, I can feel the way they put their whole life for me. Every time I can feel their love for me. It doesn't matter cause they are made for me. They just made me strong enough that I can walk softly. This day made me think that it's better to give and forgive. I'm just lying here or trying to get an idea for me. Then I thought about the song that I'm about to sing. I can't really even figure out the verb for it. Then I started with the girl, I'm gonna promise you that you can never find a better man, no matter in the chapter I can make your life is more regret. Cause there's a way I'm writing, thinking, dreaming, smiling, laughing, crying, walking, running, eating, blurring of the way my song I repeat is just writing, thinking, dreaming, smiling, laughing, crying, walking, running, eating, blurring, jotting of my own. And there is this is how